Hello everyone, this is the Panda Photographer. I do apologize for the noise. I'm at Penn Station, so I do apologize. As a travel photographer, documentarian, and consultant, I gotta make the videos, right? At the best way I can. Thank you guys for supporting. After October 31st, we were robbed. Thank you guys for helping me buy this by giving me Amazon gift card donations. We lost our original power bank, but now we got even a better power bank. To your Thank you guys for your suggestions, for telling me to next time buy a solar panel power bank, in which I did. With your donations, it was possible. Thank you so much. With that said, everyone, I'm the Panda Photographer. We are in New York City, and I am going to do a short review or a short presentation on the Winlove solar charger power bank. It's a portable, chargeable power bank that has solar panels, but also it has fast charging at 18 watts. I wish more power banks like this had Type-C 18-watt fast charging. Most of them on the market are still using the old proprietary USB Type 2 cable, which is very slow and cumbersome. It takes hours to charge. Last night, I charged this sucker within a matter of like 2 hours. It was fast. It was reliable. So I definitely recommend it so far. But I will leave the links to this in the descriptions below so you guys can purchase it yourself. But the unboxing experience basically explains that this also is used for camping, beaches, hiking, fishing, traveling, and also, like I said, universal series of Type-C, and it has fast charging, solar charging, and it is waterproof IP66. So take everything with a grain of salt. And on the box, it gives you all the information about it. And yes, it is actually a 3,000 milliamp hour battery instead of a 20,000 milliamp hour battery that we had before previously. Yes, the output power says 18 watts. It is Type-C cable. It is actually a Type-C cable that is an input and an output. So you can use that same output to charge anything that is Type-C as well. Yes, that is amazing. You can go to their website, which you can see here. Winlove at .vip. There's the email support. Now the unboxing experience was pretty simple. I'm not going to go through those anymore because everyone doesn't really like the unboxing unless it's a very, very high-tech gadget. But let me show you this cool solar panel. First and foremost, it came with this, which is nice feature. To open it, you got to unhinge that hinge. So here are the solar panels. Not sure you can see that solar panel, but it is pretty nice. Black, stealthy. Sorry about the quality. I'm shooting this in 4K 60 frames, but it also has wireless charging, so this does work as a wireless charger, and I did try it out last night. It actually charges my device pretty fast, pretty decent. One thing you have to remember is that this here has 5 indicator lights. The 5th indicator light is not a charging light. That light is only to indicate when you have a wireless charger device on the power bank. But with that said, everyone, and as you can see it around the other device, hold on, let me just fold this back up. As you can see, I'm charging it now, and you can see this Type-C cable. That's what I'm using from the GoPro. And you can see there's 2 USB 3. Another cool feature is if you press this power button one time and hold it for 2 seconds, LED light comes on. Press it again for 2 seconds, LED light goes off. Press it one time to activate the wireless charging. Mind you that. Other than that, it's pretty weighty, it's pretty thick, it's pretty chunky, but you know what? It's going to do the job very well, hopefully. So far, I'm very impressed with the device. I don't think that I'm not going to return it. It's actually fast charging, as you can see at the 4th bar right here. It is fast charging. But with that said, everyone, it is a reliable source for the last half a day, and I think I'm going to be satisfied with this product. As I said, this is a 3,000 milliamp hour battery. It does have waterproof certifications on it, IP66, fast charging, solo charging, and it has USB 3.0. So if you're looking or have a device that has fast charging, don't worry. This power bank or solar power bank would do the job very well. Now, when it comes down to the wireless part of charging, yes, it kind of is a little fingerly at first because you gotta make sure that it's actually on. There's an indicator light here. You turn it on. Yeah, there's an indicator light here where you can turn this on and do the job well. But with that said, everyone, I think that's it. That's pretty much it for the video. I wanted to share this and I want to say thank you to everyone that has supported, and please continue to support because we still have a lot more things that we need to replace. If you guys want to support the channel, there is a GoFundMe right now that is live on GoFundMe website. I will leave that also in the links down below so you guys can contribute to that. And I want to be very transparent what I do with the donations, so because I don't make money off of YouTube videos. Yeah, it's every 3 months I get $100, and that's not money, YouTube. But with that said, everyone, I appreciate the time, and I appreciate your loyalty and your kindness and your donations. It really did help, and I really, really, really love this product because this is going to help me not waste time staying in that Penn Station all the time. I can move around. I can walk around the city without relying on a outlet source to power this. With that said, everyone, take care of yourselves and eat, sleep, photography, repeat. See you guys in the next video.